Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Your friend GM is here to share more about English literature. Today I have chosen B Shelley for my video. He is a romantic poet. Today we shall discuss about him in my slides. Let's start from the first slide. He was born on 4 August 1792 near Horsham, Sussex. He belonged to a noble family of England. He was handsome, lovable, and of an independent judgment. He got his early education at home. He joined his first school at the age of 8. He joined his first school at Brantford. His first experience at school was unfortunate. From Sion High School, he went to Eton. At Eton, he earned for himself the name of B Shelley. He went to Oxford in 1808. At Oxford, he read some scraps of Hume philosophy. He published a pamphlet, The Necessity of Atheism. He was dismissed from Oxford University in 1810. He married with Harriet Westbrook at the age of 19. Westbrook gave birth to a female and a female within 2 years of her marriage. Shelley and Westbrook separated in 1814. He developed friendship with Godwin, who was a leader of young enthusiasm. Godwin was a preacher of anarchy. Thanks to watch the video. Please stay connected with me by subscribing my channel. Today I have choose 20 questions from the life of B Shelley. Next video will also comprise 20 questions. Thanks to watch the video once again.